And here we are at Black Granite on the outskirts of Harare, Zimbabwe. And this is where Matthew Gidi and Elliot Katombera, Nicholas Tandi and Everesto Kakweza work. It's a granite factory and they've worked here for many, many years. The business has changed hands a few times, and every consecutive owner just lets the guys stay here and work. And these are some of the examples of the pieces that they have. Somebody's got lunch on the go. And then there's Matthew Gidi on the phone, technological age. And these are some pieces. These guys have all worked hard to get some stuff ready for me to come and have a look at. Possibly to buy. And certainly there's some great pieces here. Here we have Nicholas Tandi, the old man of Butter Jade, the young man of Butter Jade, Elliot Katombera, and Everesto Kakweza. Everesto, right? Yeah. Everesto Kakweza. And it's not often you see all of these guys here together. As I said, not often these guys are all here together. Just wanted to get them all together in one video because you don't see it. Thank you, Nicholas. And there's some raw Butter Jade. This is how the Butter Jade stone that you've been seeing. This is Butter Jade. And this is how it starts its life. It comes out of the mine and it's brought here, and then they break it up into the size that people want to use. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you, gentlemen. And now we get down to negotiations.